Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use Oriencorp services by paying in dollars. Let's start it with the tutorial on my incognito tab as I have already logged in on my official tab, so I'll do it here. So basically first we have to do sign up. Okay, so I had already signed up. I'll not do sign up. They're simple questions, you can answer them. Okay, I'll simply go for login. Okay, so what is the purpose of making this video is that I had already made it in Hindi for the people who are residing in India, but the people who are from who are out, I have already made it for the people who are residing in India, but people outside from India are not able to understand that how to use these services. So I'll show them how to pay for the service in dollars and get your services done. So sign up is simple. You can, and if you have already have the account, simply log in. Okay. So I'll do it here right now. So my account is been login, and here I can see my plans. Here I can see amount in both dollars as well as here I can see both amount in dollars as well as in rupees. Okay, so I have to do it in the dollars because think like I am outside from India and I have to do it in dollars. So how to do that? Because this can be an issue for the people out of India. So that's what I had made it in English as well, so that they can understand very well. Now let me think. I'll show you first that where my profile lies. What's the plan I'm using right now? So this is my profile. It will be expiring at 21st. Okay. So let's see on my plan where I am. It's free trial. Okay, it's free trial. Now I want to simply go and uh, upgrade my plan for premium version. Okay, so let me upgrade my plan. Here you can see that it's visible in rupees. Yeah, it's completely fine. I can understand because my location already says that I am from India. So that's only for this page. Okay. Now next we have to do whatever we will do. So this is my premium and I'll do it for premium. Okay. So let's wait. Here you can see that I have my costing of rupees 596. Okay. But yeah, it's in rupees and I want to uh, purchase it in dollar. See, if you want to, if this is the same issue with you, simply change your location. Okay, I'll show you. See, this is the rupees, but I'll show you how to do it in dollars. Simply go back, go on dashboard, uh, account. This is my account and see. Here I can see that this is already been selected. Now I want to do it like for any XYZ. Now let's say Mexico City. Okay, now submit it. It's been submitted that this success line shows. Okay, so now I will go again for the upgradation and now see my costing shows here dollar. Yeah, now only dollar is visible. That time rupees 596 was visible for the premium, but now dollar 7.19 is visible. Now let's buy it. Okay, now we came on this page and see again. Here again this dollar 7.19 dollar came. Yeah, so we are giving you the option of credit card and now let's click it. This is in a test transaction. Okay, so that you can understand it very well how to do that. So there are test credentials that I have to follow here. That's none for the worries. Simply just put your email address. I'll simply put it like this. Then card information, whatever your card information, that whatever your card has the information, that 12 digit. Now this card information will be containing your 16 digit number that your card has. So you can use anything. And let me see if the Stripe had given me some test APIs. Yeah, so simply I'll write it. Okay, now I'll do some dates of future like uh, yeah, and okay, Card holder, I'll simply write my name. And yeah, for your using Stripe means you are using a credit card, and that's what you cannot put your address inside of India, and that's why we had given the option of phone pay. Now for India, those who are in India, I will say you not to use this thing, but if you are from India but you know a location outside of India, it will be very simple for you. Okay, so I cannot use India because it will show me the wrong address. Like if I show something like uh, yeah, so here we can see, and now I'll do. They will simply they will simply just cancel my payment because see what they have shown, non-INR transaction in India should have shipping billing address outside of India. Means even if you are from India, you have to show your address outside of India. So let me show here US. US. Where is US? Yeah, United States. Now I'll see. Leave everything means I'm leaving it. Don't oh, you don't please. Just fill your details properly so that your payment will be proper. Otherwise, if there will be any issue, then who will bear it? Okay, so please fill it properly. And now I'll just pay it. Now they are just paying. And yeah, I think now this will work. Yeah, this has been done. And now they will show us that our activation that our payment is successful. Yeah, payment successful. Now let's go for the dashboard and see what happened now. So see, our expiration has just increased from 14, okay, till 14. Means 1 month from now. Okay, I'll show you what's the plan right now for me. It's premium, but I had purchased. It is that only, and it's so simple for. Okay, this is how you will purchase. Okay, this is how you will purchase. See, this is showing me that I had purchased, and I can download this invoice also. Okay, so this is very simple, and you can do it without any hesitation. And yeah, if you will have any query, please contact us. I'll show you how to contact us. It's very simple. Just simply go on the profile of our what's this? They're not good. Okay. Simply go on our website. You will find there at the footer contact us. Yeah, simply there you will see to chat with us on WhatsApp, call us now, or you can fill the form. And our team will be communicating with you very soon. Comment us on our video. We will see you in the next video with the other feature and update. Let's connect in the next video. Till then, keep exploring.